Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a flip through all my Bibles, well the 3 that I have journaled in, and I wanted to just hop on here real quick to just kind of like say some things and get that out the way before you see the flip through. If you just want to go straight to the flip through, I will leave the timestamp right here and I will try and do like the chapters thing so you guys can just skip to the flip through. I wanted to just say that you will see my progression of how I Bible journaled in my Bibles. So in the first Bible, you'll see how I used to get really creative and paint and draw and do a lot of things. And you also see a lot of my mistakes. Pages where things went wrong, or pages where I experimented and it did not work out. They were not great. And in my other Bible, which is the smaller Bible, you'll see how I was like transitioning my journaling into more of note-taking, studying, which I did before in my other Bible. I just didn't do it in my Bible. I did it in a journal and then I would create. So you're kind of seeing me combine the two. And then obviously in my ESV Interleaved Study Bible, you will see me just really highlighting and taking notes. There's not much journaling done in that Bible, which is ironic because I bought that Bible to have more space to journal. A couple of things I do want to say is some of my pages I do cover the text. If you don't like covering the text, that is up to you. I'm fine with covering the text in my Bible. Some pages, they are mistakes, and I didn't mean to cover the text. You'll see some pages. Let's see if I can find them. So, like this page, which you'll see in the flip through, was actually just a huge mistake. I was planning on doing something completely different, and I was always the type of person that did not like to make mistakes, did not like to mess up. I wanted everything to look perfect and pristine and use a ruler and tape and to do all sorts of things to make sure I didn't mess up. Every paint bottle that I opened exploded onto my Bible page. It was so frustrating. I'm pretty sure I caught it on camera and it's in a video probably a few years back. If I can find the footage, I will show it to you guys. I was so upset. And on it, I just wrote, God can heal my need for perfection. And it was just realizing, things are not going to be perfect, and that's okay. Another page that I have that is just terrible. I was trying to freehand. Usually I would think about what I was going to do before I did them. And this time I tried to freehand it, and this page is terrible. So yeah, I just wanted to share those things with you guys, and just, Bible journaling is not perfect. No matter how you Bible journal, you'll see that I've gone through many different ways. There's even a page in there that I tried to do like a scrapbook method, and it's one of my least favorite pages. More than the pages that I messed up on, because it's not me. And that's when, I was thinking more about how my page needed to look versus spending time with God. And I think that's really the attitude you need to have. Like, I've told myself I need to take a break from Bible journaling when I was doing it more to do it and to make something pretty versus to spend time with God. So I think it's all balance. No matter what you do, getting into Word is what's important. What helps you study God's Word, read it, and just spend that time with Him, that's what's important. I don't want anyone to ever view my pages as, oh, I wish I could do something as nice as hers, or oh, my stuff is better than what she did. It's not about that. I'm just trying to share my journey of Bible journaling with you guys. My dog is barking. I just want to share my journey with you guys and just give you guys a peek into my Bible. I feel like Bibles are personal, so I'm letting you guys into something that's very personal to me. I've done a Bible journal flip through before, but I didn't say like anything before. It's literally just a video flipping through my Bible. Not much has changed from that one, but I just wanted to share with you guys, just something personal to me. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching this video. Definitely let me know if you enjoy it. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. And yeah, so if you guys would like to see what the inside of my Bibles look like, then just keep watching. Guys, I did not realize this was out of focus for the rest of this Bible, but I actually have a video going through a flip through of all my Ephesians notes, which is what you're seeing here, and also on the other few things that were left in my Bible. So I will leave that link down below for you guys. I just don't have the time to refilm it, and I'm so sorry. But I'm in Texas, and that's why I can't film. But the next Bible, everything is fine. So yeah.